It was great meeting you at the conference. I'd like to connect with you on LinkedIn.
That's a great idea. I have this QR code and you can just scan it and then you can see my LinkedIn profile.
Okay, great. All right, there we go, and we're connected.
Perfect. Hi everyone, Caroline here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make these 3D printed LinkedIn tags just like the one I designed for a conference that I'm about to attend. Instead of fumbling with your phone or searching for your profile on your phone, this tag lets people scan your LinkedIn QR code instantly. It's a fun and practical way to connect with others at events, and it's completely customizable. I'm printing this on my Bambu P1S with the AMS using white PLA for the base and black PLA for contrast. You can really use any two colors that stand out from each other, so feel free to modify and make it your own. I'll leave a link in the description where you can download my model for free. And yes, I do allow commercialization. If you want to start an Etsy shop or open up a tent making these tags, be my guest. Now let's get started. I'm going to start this video at makerworld.com on my LinkedIn QR code tag, and I will link to this below. And we're going to start with there are two options, name on one line and then the 2-line name version. Let's start with the name on one line. Instruction number 1, go to genqrcode.com. This is how we're going to make our QR codes. And then I'm going to make a badge for Brandy Smith, copy and paste her URL, LinkedIn profile. Then I'm going to Gen QR code and I'm going to pop it into URL and I'm going to click generate QR code. And here is the magic. I am going to download as an STL file. Click download STL file, but it needs to be without a base. I'm going to download the STL file. Now I'm going to open in Bambu Studio. I've got a P1S, import into Bambu Studio. Yes. And here is my luggage tag, imported, downloaded from Maker World. Now I'm going to click on objects and then I'm going to expand assembly over here and you can see the various components. Let's start with the name. To right click and then click edit text, and I've changed the name to Brandy Smith. Now if you need to adjust the size or the position or anything, just click off of it. And now I'm going to change the position and I'm going to change the object coordinates to the X needs to be at 0. Hit tab. And then I'm going to click off of it. And there, I've changed the name to Brandy Smith. Excellent. Next, let's click on the QR code. And I'm going to right click. And I'm going to replace the STL. And I'm going to click on QR code.stl. And there's my QR code. And that is new luggage tag. All I have to do is hit slice plate. Total time 21 minutes. And it has seams. And then I'll click not show the seams anymore just to see what it looks like. Now, if your text gets too small, you won't be able to see it when it's in preview mode, but this looks pretty good. And I want to show you one more thing while I'm at it. I like to hold up my phone and just check that QR code to make sure it's going to the right spot. So let's see, make sure it scans, number 1, before you print it. And then you should see LinkedIn. And then let's see if her profile comes up. And sure enough, her profile comes right up. So we know this is going to work. It's a little check I like to make. And then we can just go ahead and print this plate. I can just hit print plate from here. Before I do that, let's look at the 2-line name version. I'm also going to go ahead and make changes to this file. And I'm going to open this in Bambu Studio. And here is the 2-line name version. And I will go through the same process. I'm going to open plate 1. I'm going to open assembly. Now let's change the first name. And I'm going to click on first name. I'm going to right click, click edit text. And I'm going to update the name. Then I'm going to click last name, right click, edit text, copy and paste the last name. And then I'm going to make his QR code, go to Gen QR code, copy and paste the URL code, generate a QR code, and then click download as STL. Click download STL file, go over to QR code, click on QR code, right click and select replace with STL. Then I'm going to choose the QR code. And there we go. We have modified this. Use the camera on my phone to make sure that it actually goes to the right profile. And there it goes. It goes to his profile. And I will slice the plate, and now I'm ready to print. Then all I have to do is hit print plate, hit send, and we are on our way. And that's it, your own custom LinkedIn tag ready to print and use. You can attach it to your backpack, your conference badge, a laptop bag, and it's a great way to network without ever opening the app on your phone. If you have ideas for other types of QR code tags, maybe for Instagram, Venmo, YouTube, or your own website, let me know in the comments, or just go ahead and make it and let me know. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more practical AI and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next build. Bye now.